Sorry the music is so loud. This music is actually coming from this beautiful piece. And so it's a little bit on the loud side. Can't turn it down. So I thought I would take a chance and show you how beautiful it is. I spent a total of $2 for this hot coffee station. Hard to believe, only a $2 investment. The only thing that was new on this whole area was the 2 cups with the red trucks, and that was it. Everything else I already had. So pleased that it could look so nice for a $2 investment. The beautiful centerpiece that's playing the music I bought about 3 years ago. It still has the original batteries in. I don't play it a lot, that's why it's lasted so long. But is it not beautiful? I was so pleased how it turned out. And all the candy was already been purchased. Everything else has been in a post. Nothing is new at all. All the floral arrangements, all the Christmas balls, everything I already own. And of course, I put my Christmas spoons in here to use to stir the hot chocolate. Here they are. Are they not the cutest things you've ever seen? You know, Grandma, she believes in repurposing as much as possible. That's why you always see so many of my things you may have seen in a prior post. But I thought the candlelight turned out pretty, and I hope you agree. I was so pleased on my $2 post and all the beautiful things I have put together to make this for you. Please let me know what was your favorite thing on this display you enjoyed. My channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, miniature gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, inspirational talks, shout outs, or whatever else Grandma might come up with. Please consider following if you're not already. Please give me a thumbs up. It means the world to me to see that you're enjoying what I'm putting together today. I thought it turned out perfect. This beautiful cup container that I put my hot chocolate, tea, and sweetener fits in there perfectly. Then we have our beautiful candy sprinkled all about for those that may want a little bit of sweetener in their tea or hot chocolate. And of course, what hot chocolate would be without some little miniature marshmallows on top. And I found these beautiful ornamental Christmas trees. Love them so much. I hope you can hear me over the music that's playing. Oh, and of course, I forgot the beautiful snowflakes sprinkled about the table and the beautiful little chocolates stuck on top. And this was from Maria, this cute little sled, and this cute little boy wanting to go play on it. Is it not the cutest thing for a $2 investment? You know me, I'm always looking for the bargains. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy to all of those that finished to the very end. Hope you enjoyed this post. Leave me a comment what was the most favorite thing you saw on this. Bye-bye for now. Please take care until the next video.